Welcome everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix Roblox pass update failed. But before we get into the explanation, don't hesitate to like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any new video. So the reason you're facing this problem is mainly because it's still under review by Roblox. So there is actually nothing you can do but wait. Just make sure that your pass is still active, and once you're sure about that, it will be going through a review process. The review process is typically expected to take approximately 10 to 15 minutes. This is a fairly quick turnaround time that allows for swift progression. However, please note that in some instances, it could potentially extend up to a duration of 3 days. This is not the norm, but it is a possibility that one should be prepared for. During this time, it's crucial to keep a close watch on the process to ensure it's progressing as expected. More importantly, it's essential to guarantee that the content under review does not infringe upon any community guidelines set by Roblox. Compliance with these guidelines is vital to ensure a smooth and unproblematic review process. I hope you found this video useful. See you next time.